Trying to get a home renovation done without losing your mind? Here's the real deal on how to manage your project like a pro, even if you've never lifted a hammer before. Alright, so first up, always break your big project into smaller chunks. Like, don't think about redoing the whole kitchen in one go. Instead, plan things step by step, like demolition one day, plumbing next, then cabinets. Next, get yourself a clear timeline, but keep it flexible because stuff happens. Your plumber might run late, or the delivery gets pushed back. Also, budget smartly by adding a cushion of about 20% extra for those surprise expenses nobody talks about. When you pick contractors, always check reviews and get multiple quotes so you don't end up paying way too much or getting shoddy work. Communication is key, text, call, whatever works. But keep notes because you'll forget details otherwise. Don't be afraid to ask questions or say no if something feels off. Lastly, keep your workspace organized and tidy. It saves headaches and keeps everyone safer. One of the biggest mistakes people make in home renovations is not having a solid plan with clear timelines and budgets, which leads to constant delays and overspending. Fix that by writing everything down before you start and sharing it with everyone involved. Another common issue is hiring contractors without doing proper research, which can result in poor workmanship or scams. Always check references and licenses. Finally, people often underestimate how much time projects take, thinking they'll be done in a weekend when it actually takes weeks or months. To avoid this, prepare mentally for a longer timeline and keep your expectations realistic. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients ready to start their projects, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.